Hi, I am Elena Moreno. I speak about the topic children are a big target audience for advertisers. I think that advertisers take advantage of the naivety of children to make their attractive ads because they know children are easily affected by images and messages they contain. This may be for their young age. They don't realize they are a target audience for advertisers, sell their products, and so they earn much money. Advertisers should be respectful and aim their ads at adults, although the products be for children. Government should have a law to prevent this abuse. In Ecuador, the situation is not different in other countries. Children can encounter advertising in TV, in magazines, radios, billboards, in the internet, and in mails, but it's more prominent on school and trains. There are street vendors who sell toys with cartoon figures and that are fashionable. They can be in films or in television programs. Thanks for your attention.